Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you know that transferring assets like Cardano, ADA, between exchanges is a crucial skill. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to send your Cardano from XMO to your Coinbase wallet. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your funds secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both XMO and Coinbase wallet. Start by logging into your XMO account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Balances section to locate your Cardano holdings. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Next, navigate to the Withdrawal page. Look for the Withdraw button, usually found in the Wallet overview. Select Cardano from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Now, here's the critical part. Enter your Coinbase wallet address. To get this, open your Coinbase app or website, go to your Cardano wallet, and copy the address. Paste it carefully into the XMO withdrawal form to avoid any mistakes. Remember, crypto addresses are case sensitive. Before you confirm, take a moment to review the details. Check the amount you're sending, the network fees, and ensure you're using the correct blockchain network, like the Cardano mainnet. Once everything looks good, hit the Withdraw or Confirm button. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for added security. Now, switch over to your Coinbase wallet. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the transaction to appear, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it shows up, you'll see your Cardano balance updated. Congrats! You've successfully transferred your ADA. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer if you're unsure, and keep an eye on gas fees, which can fluctuate. If you run into any issues, both XMO and Coinbase have support resources. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.